In this video, I'm going to show you how to change RDP port in Windows 7. So the first step we're going to do is access your Windows registry. So to do that, in the search bar, type in run and open up the run prompt here. And then in this box here, search box here, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T, regedit, run that. Once you're on the registry here, see now, what you're going to do, you're going to click on these H key local machine, click on it, expand it. Once you do that, click on systems, expand it. From systems, choose current control set, click on it and expand it. Okay, and from there select control, expand it. Once you're in the control here, look for terminal server. Okay, look for terminal server. Once you find the terminal server, click on it to open it up. Okay, and from there, from the terminal server, expand it, and then from there click on Win Stations, click on it to expand it. And from the Win Stations here, click on this RDP TCP, click on it. Okay, so from here look for port number. So once you find the port number, right click on it, hit modify, and here what we're going to do is you're going to change the base to decimal and then type in the new port number, whatever that is you want to change it to. Just do that. Okay, enter your new port number. Once that's done, hit on OK. And next, step 2, what we're going to do is open up your Windows firewall. So just type in Windows firewall. Okay, Windows Defender firewall with advanced security. Just open it up. Once you open it up here, what we're going to do, click on the inbound rules option here, click on it, right click, and then select new rule. Okay, and here you're going to choose port as the type, select port. Okay, hit on next, and then here select TCP, and then now input your port number, whatever you just created or wanted to change it to. Just click that in. Okay, hit on next, and then here you go to select allow the connection, click on next. Here just tick in all these 3 boxes, that's fine, allow all the connections, hit on next, and then here give a name, for example new RDP port, something like that. Just give a name, hit on finish. Once that's done, the last step that we're going to do is in your search bar here, type in services. Okay, and then open up service. And once you open up the service here, what we're going to do is look for remote desktop connection. So just here, look for remote desktop services, click on it. Once you click on it here, you will see a restart option. Click on it to restart the server, and that's basically pretty much it is. That's how you do it.